welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be using up more colors. I have pre-done colors from previous paintings. I just want to use them up. Most of them are Amsterdam acrylics, just like this, and this little piggy pigments. So that's what we're going to be using. My base right now is dry. I'm going to be trying to do a dry reverse dip kind of thing with the two Cradle wood, artist wood panels. They're 11 by 14, so the two of them. I just pre-painted them. They've been sitting here for about 10 minutes, and that is with the Decor. It's metallic, the Peacock Pearl, beautiful color. So Greg's gonna hit some music, and we're just gonna have some fun, relax, and enjoy. Thanks for joining me, everybody, and please don't forget to hit subscribe before you go, okay? All right, hon, hit the music. Let's make a masterpiece.
Anymore. I hate this feeling, 'cause I won't be breathing you in my lungs anymore. It's not right, you're trading numbers with some dudes at my party. Oh, taking a bite of my body, want you all over my body. Lights out and we never leave, we never leave. I'm always checking my phone and you're you're happy being alone, and I've got you on my mind. Taking a bite of my body, want you all over my body. Lights out and we never leave, we never leave. I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone, and I've got you on my mind. I don't believe it, I'm thinking that we don't believe in love anymore. I hate this feeling, 'cause I won't be breathing you in my lungs anymore. It's not right, you're trading numbers with some dude who's at my party. Oh, taking a bite of my body, want you all over my body. Lights out and we never leave, we never leave. I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone, and I've got you on my mind. Taking a bite of my body, want you all over my body. Lights out and we never leave, we never leave. I'm always checking my phone and you're happy being alone, and I've got you on my mind.
Blood on my fingertips and words on my tongue. So many verses I wish I would've sung. But what if my secrets ruin today? I pour another glass up to keep them at bay. Think you found me? Oh yeah, then go find another. Go find another. Your hands sculpted me. Oh no, I'm not like the others. Not like the others. The world inside me, baby, is mine to discover. Mine to discover. Can't take that from me. Give me a space to breathe. You think you found me? Oh yeah, then go find another. Go find another. Your hands sculpted me. Oh no, I'm not like the others. Not like the others. The world inside me, baby, is mine to discover. Mine to discover. Can't take that from me. Give me a space to breathe. I found light in the darkness and learned to lead the way. Your flashlight is fading and I'm going my own way. The sharp words of anger should cut me like the knife. You stabbed in my back, but you forgot that I can fight. Think you found me? Oh yeah, then go find another. Go find another. Your hands sculpted me. Oh no, I'm not like the others. Not like the others. The world inside me, baby, is mine to discover. Mine to discover. Can't take that from me. Give me a space to breathe. You think you found me? Oh yeah, then go find another. Go find another. Your hands sculpted me. Oh no, I'm not like the others. Not like the others. The world inside me, baby, is mine to discover. Mine to discover. Can't take that from me. Give me a space to breathe. You love to claim me. You say you made me, then make me again. You love to claim me. You say you made me, then make me again. You love to claim me like I'm some trophy you hold in your hands. Don't make me again. Don't make me again. Think you found me? Oh yeah, then go find another. Go find another. Your hands sculpted me. Oh no, I'm not like the others. Not like the others. The world inside me, baby, is mine to discover. Mine to discover. Can't take that from me. Give me a space to breathe.